everyone, welcome back to my channel, Adventures with Amira. So I have a quick Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I know I haven't filmed one yet this year, so I wanted to go ahead and show you some of the stuff that I've picked up. They have the cutest stuff in for Easter for sure this year. A lot of like farmhouse style stuff. I've been driving all over this morning because I've got kids on field trips and taking snacks for that, and so it's been hard for me to get somewhere to film, but I'm just going to film from my car here for this part. And then as soon as I drag all the stuff in the house, I will go ahead and film this stuff for you so I can go ahead and put that away. I hope you guys are doing great. Happy spring. It's almost here for us here in Florida. It is pretty much spring already. But for the rest of you guys that are still snowed in, especially my friends back in Colorado, this is one of the coldest months for you guys. So I'll just bring a little bit of warmth and spring vibes to this video. All right, let's get into it. Okay, everyone, let's see what we got. So I picked up a few of these things that are left over from Valentine's Day. I think these are like little food picks, but I thought these were super cute. And I want to do some chocolate covered strawberries on them. So I love hearts anyway, and I could use them for other crafts as well. So I grabbed those. And then I really love these little cutouts. I don't think that these stick on. I think that I could use them with glue to just make cards and stuff. I have a lot of older family members, so I've been trying to incorporate more like handwritten letters and cards and things like that this year. So these are kind of cute to add to things and little gifts. You can make ornaments out of these. There's a lot of different stuff you can do with these. You can use them as stamps. I mean, there's a lot. Speaking of stamps, I picked up these clear stamps. I'm going to use these probably for just crafts to like just add little prints onto. I don't use clear stamps normally, but I just wanted to play around with these a little bit. I have some ink pads that my daughter and I had left over from some other projects. So if you guys normally use these clear stamps, let me know in the comments down below and tell me what you think about them. I also picked up these, which are kind of like little star patterns, but they're pretty intricate. I don't know if you could see this one here, but see how it has like hearts inside of that? I think that is so gorgeous. And you could make like a wind chime with this. I have a lot of ideas for these little things, like to do like an indoor wind chime with some crystals hanging from it. I thought that would be beautiful. And these match a lot of different things in my house because I have different wood grains in here. So I thought these were pretty. I'm always looking for new hand sanitizers. I sent one of these to school with my son today. And this one smells like mint, which he liked, so I sent that one. He's got to wear a tuxedo today, well, the last few days for these performances at school. And they just have those inside pockets for the men's coats, and the bigger sanitizer he had was like sticking out. So I was trying to find something more flat and streamlined. Same thing with my husband's pants for work. Sometimes he likes to have a hand sanitizer in his pocket, and these are smaller, so that's what I thought they could use these for. These are supposed to be scented with essential oils, but this does not smell much like oranges to me. It doesn't really smell like plain sanitizer, so that's okay, but I didn't really specifically smell mandarin. With this one, I didn't really smell much lavender, maybe a tiny bit, but not a lot. They also had these really nice beads, and I've used these for centerpieces before and glass vases. I've used them in aquariums. Way back in the day, I would use the blue ones. And then they have these kind of like mermaid greenish blue color ones, and I thought these were just gorgeous, maybe for a summer project. I've not seen either of these in our stores before. Those letters I'm going to be writing, these are the ones I picked up specifically for my mother-in-law. She loves butterflies, she always has, so I thought I could use these for her. Then I picked up this set of those as well. Definitely different. Our puppy actually is crying because I think he knows these toys are for him. That is so funny. He's like, what? Toys for me? Anyway, I picked up these two little things. These might be left over from Valentine's. I'm not sure, but I thought they were cute. And luckily, he doesn't normally tear up his little stuffed animals too often. Apollo. Who's a good boy? Are you a good baby? You are? You are. Yes. Are you stretching? Good boy. Are you ready, Edor? Yes. This is a little thing I picked up for my daughter. I thought this little unicorn squishy was cute, so I picked that up for her. I picked this up, believe it or not, for me because I have a lot of different stuff with unicorns and I want to do an art project with this. They're just little wood boxes that have different little covers on the top. I have some that have cut out like butterflies and different things like that. But I wanted to decorate this with some crystals and use this for a special box for something. I picked up this little Mickey Mouse art tray because I thought I could use this in a painting project for one of these little boxes that I have. Speaking of the little wood boxes, I forgot to show you guys the one that I have here. I have several of these star boxes, and believe it or not, I have seen these things on Etsy selling for $10, $15 where people would just paint them or decoupage or whatever, put stuff on here, and then they sell them as these custom boxes, and I'm just like, okay. I know that they got those at the Dollar Tree. Do you guys notice that too? You see stuff that you know where they came from, and you're like, oh my gosh, people sell this for like 10 times the price sometimes. Okay, these ribbons I want to use for an Easter project. I loved all these colors. That squeaky noise is the puppy. I swear. He's like, wait, I want those toys. Let me squeak this one to see if she'll notice. So anyway, I got these for a project I'm working on, and I thought these would all be super cute for Easter. I got quite a few hair ties because these do not put a dent in my hair. Like when I put it up at night to sleep, they make it kind of sit into like a curly formation because my hair is naturally super straight, but they don't put like impressions into my hair, you know, like creases from the other type of elastics and stuff. So I really like these, and they're comfortable to sleep in, so I grabbed several of these. I got green and that burgundy-ish color, and then I got this kind of a pinkish fuchsia color. I found some of the little games you guys have been mentioning online, so I found this one little Uno game I thought was super cute. I got this for an upcoming trip to Atlanta. I'm going to be chaperoning my son's orchestra national convention next month, and I'm looking for little games to carry with us on that trip. I got some new Band-Aids. These are really good, you guys. They stay on well, and for people like me that are allergic to a lot of different bandages, these do not bother me, just in case you're wondering. I also got these Curad ones because these are good because they're so big. I got smaller Band-Aid kits for my children to keep in their backpacks because the nurses, I don't know, there's something going on strange in Florida where nurses aren't supposed to like even give kids Band-Aids anymore. I can't really tell you what's going on with that. My friend who's a nurse can't even explain it. She was like, I don't know. She was like, just get your kids their own stuff to bring to school. So I picked these up for their backpacks. I keep one of those in my car also. I got some new deodorant. I got some razors. I like these with the 5 blades. I got another small deodorant, and I like to keep this stuff just to have like in my car in case my son needs extra deodorant or whatever. I'll always put like a smaller one in there for the season. I got this little manicure set that I thought was super cute. These would be cute like stocking stuffers or like little, I thought about like having like a spa party for a teen girl or something and passing these out as gifts, but they're kind of an iridescent mermaid style, so I thought that was cute. I got these little iPads, also would be cute for a spa party or something like that, but they come in, I think, clear with pink hearts or like little pink confetti inside too. I thought the gold looked fancy, so I just got these. But you just pop them in the fridge and put them on your eyes, you know, if they're puffy. I don't know why you would need warm iPads. I've never seen somebody use hot iPads before, so if you know why somebody would put heat on their eyes, tell me in the comments below. I'm interested. Most people use cold to reduce puffiness or something, so not sure about that. I got hair clips because these disappear all the time at my house and I don't know where they go. I got a large one because sometimes I just have my hair up and stuff while I'm cooking, and this is easy to clip it up really quickly. I got some antacids. These work just as well as the name brand. This is like a Tangle teaser brush, and you guys, when I tell you these are amazing for somebody with curly hair, trust me when I tell you they will change your life if you've never used one. They normally come in all different colors like pink, blue, purple, but they only had silver left at our store, so I always grab a few. They last my daughter probably about 6 months before the teeth on these start to break off or bend too bad to use, but they really, really do make a difference and make it so much easier to manage her super long curly hair. I got this little eyeglass repair kit because my son and I both wear glasses a lot of the time, so this is good to have just as an extra one. I have a tiny one from years ago, but I wanted to get another one to have on standby. And these come with like the little tiny screws for glasses, a cleaning cloth, and the little things for like the nose pads, and then the different size screwdrivers in here, so it's good to have one of those. I got this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. This is a whole purple selection, and the color is Petal Pusher. So I thought that was super pretty. I love palettes like these. They just have a different variety. You can do 2 or 3 different types of looks in those, and I really like to buy these things for gifts, like for friends, my sisters and stuff like that, just to have like, you know, just a special little bag to put together. And my daughter's friends, some of them are into makeup, so sometimes I'll put together like a little tiny makeup bag to introduce them to makeup. But these normally run about $10, so this was a great deal. I also found this little compact mirror. It says beauty is found in the imperfections. And when you open it, it's 2 mirrors. It's a close-up mirror and just a regular mirror, but I thought it was super cute. So I got this coneflower set right here. I used these before. They do work pretty well, these little grow kits, so I do recommend these. Unfortunately, the deer seem to have eaten all my flowers I put in last year, so we're gonna try some inside my pool screen area this year and hope I have better luck. These are also some of those little flower rockets that I tried last year. I don't know if you guys remember, but these work really well. They all bloomed. Sometimes you get a few weeds in these, but I got several different ones. So this is the fragrance bouquet, and on the side, it'll tell you what the possibility of flower varieties that you'll get inside are. And this has quite a few, as you can see. On this one, these are just simply painted daisies. Some have a multitude of flowers, some have just one singular type of flower. These are zinnia mixes, and so it's different sizes and colors of zinnias. Same thing on this one. This is just a singular type of flower. This one is the butterfly hummingbird mix, and there's the flowers that come in that one. They have more bulbs than I've ever seen before, and I'll show you all of these. If you guys are familiar with any of these bulbs, please let me know in the comments down below, because I'm not. Most of these I have not planted other than the gladiolas. So this is the Tigridia, I think is how you say it. Tigridia, I'm not sure. But these are gorgeous. They look similar to orchids, so I'm excited to try these. It says these are from Holland, and this came with just 2 bulbs. Then they had these that are the Ranuculus, which look similar to roses. It says it's a product of Israel. Very interesting. And these come with 4 bulbs. These look very strange, like little jellyfish. I got a solid pink set of gladiolas. They also had these anemones. Now these are gorgeous. These remind me of daisies, and these are from Holland. These come with just 3 bulbs. They almost look like chestnuts or something like that. Also got a new garden shovel because here in Florida, ours tend to rust pretty quickly. And I got a few sets of seeds this time. These are the lavender seeds. I definitely want to grow some more lavender. I use it for all sorts of things. The Cosmos. These grew really well in California and Colorado, even easier than here, I feel. But as soon as I plant them here, the deer or the rabbits or something are eating them all. So I'm going to try them inside the pool screen this time. And then these are Sweet Williams, or also known as dianthus. And these things are some of the most durable flowers I've ever used in my life. They make it through snow, the heat. As long as you keep a little water on them, they do great, and they spread by themselves. So I love these. Also got some twine to tie up some of my rose bushes outside, as well as some of my other climbing flowering vines. My husband got these cable ties, or zip ties as people call them, for something he's working on, as well as this wire brush set. He said he'd been looking for some, and at the auto parts store they were pretty expensive, so he was happy to find these at the Dollar Tree. And then finally, oh nope, I got one more set of gladiolas. I thought I bought a mixed set. So here's the mixed color set from Holland, and this comes with 4 bulbs inside. And then finally, I got this beautiful set of plates. They have a lot of signs and stuff that go with this too. So pretty. And I just love the little print on here. I think it's so perfect for spring. All right, you guys, thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I appreciate the support. Please subscribe if you like content like this, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.